Hello, it's back with Yumna. If I sound weird, it's because I'm not in my closet. I'm in the living room this time. It's 9:27 and I have to pray at like 9:36. This is gonna be a really quick video. What we're gonna be covering today is how to multiply two numbers with each other. We have 53 times 28 as the example over here. I'm showing you. Before we begin, let's try to get the basics understood. Like normal math, like 5 times 4 equals 20. We know that 3 times 8 equals 24. That's basically what we're going to do. It's going to be very easy just if you just follow along and do the simple steps. So we have 53 times 28. What we're going to do first is we are going to completely erase this part. Just like that. So now we have something we know. 3 times 28. What is 3 times 28? 3 times 8 I meant. Sorry guys. 3 times 8 is 24. Now instead of writing 24, we're going to bring back the 2. A second here. I'm gonna take this off. So we have 3 times 28, which is very easy. 28 times 3, you have a big two-digit number with a one-digit number. We know how to do this. We are going to ask ourselves, what is 3 times 8, which is 24. Where'd that go? Okay, which is 24 over here. And then we take the 2 and we carry it. So 2 goes up. 1 second. 2 goes up and we're left with 4. Give me a second. 4. All right. Now we take this 2 and we add and we put it to 3 times 2, which is 6. Then we add 6 with 8 with 2, and then we have 84. Just like that. Very easy. Simple. Simplicity is key, you guys. To fact check this information, let's go 3 times 8, 24. We take the 2, we put it up, which is over here. Then 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 2 that we have from here is 8, 84. Now that we know this part, let's add back 5. So I'm going to draw 5 really fast. And then I'm going to delete 3 because we're done with 3. And it's very less confusing if you do one number at a time. So now it's actually starts getting confusing. What do we do first? I know most of you have seen some weird clips of 000. What is that? What is this? Am I dumb? Before we start with the second number, we have to add a 0, which is something that you do to make it even, to make it have the same vibe, And the more you add zeros, the more numbers there are, the more zeros there'll be. So if I was doing 3-digit number with a 3-digit number, the third time I'm multiplying, it's gonna have 2 zeros. All right. So we're gonna go back to this, what we're doing here, and we are going to start with the multiplication. So 8 times 5 is 40. Again, we're gonna take the 4 up over here. What is that? 4, yeah. 4. And then we're gonna add another number, and then we're gonna do 5 times 2 is 10, and then we add the 4 from there is 14. Just like that. So because I was very fast paced, I'm gonna restart the thing for you, and I will keep this. We'll keep this. Now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna magic select it. Next. I'm gonna bring this up. Just like that. Alright. So what happens next here? We're gonna add the plus sign. We're gonna add them together, alright? What is that, Yumna? This very easy. So I forgot to align this properly, but what you're supposed to be doing here is you take 14. You take the number which we had was 14,000, I believe. Yeah, 14,000. And you align it so 4 goes under 0. So 0 goes under 4 and it goes under, what is that? I'm sorry, guys. Because like magic select doesn't, it's so funky. It doesn't do anything right. Okay, so 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 and then 1. Just like that. And now we're going to fact check it. We're going to put back the 53 because like I don't want to confuse you guys. And then 53 times 28. Let me do that on a calculator to know if we did it right. Is 1,484. And we got 1,484. Great job, you guys. You now know how to do this. We're going to delete everything here. And we're going to start with a new question. Are you ready? You better be. All right. As I'm typing this question, I want you guys to do it by yourselves.